Sometimes it leaves it inside of their houses for this one. They mentioned that this prevents mosquitoes. I have no idea if this is true or not. This one's mentioned.
So that was Heba explaining things as we go on a boat down the Nile in Aswan. You can see both sides of the river. We are on our way to a Nubian village to see their way of life. There is Heba. And there's my wife. How's it go? Researching on a book. Enjoying the beautiful view of the Nile River in Aswan. Movenpick, yes. I see. So this is a Felucca, Heba? Very typical